Popcorn farts.
Oh, Jesus.
We should squeeze it out of her.
Anyways.
Just let it sit. Just let it sit and it'll all be farts later. It's funny.
This Joan chick was talking to me and I was like, bam, let's go, bitch.
I think you better sit off here. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm gonna try doing it and sitting down.
You have to laugh.
I feel like I have helium in my throat. An awkward feeling. Yeah.
Hey, call it.
I made my vagina vibrate.
Good vibrations?
No.
See, if you stick your tongue out when you're burping, it doesn't work as well. You have to have all this open.
Shut up! I'm beating you tonight.
You already did. You already won, babe.
Multiple times.
You just bend him over and rape him tonight.
Pretty much.
You. I don't want to rape him.
It's because I'm one of your best friends. That's why.
No. That's my best friend.
Ow, that's gonna hurt, man.
Are you recording? Have you been recording this entire time? Okay. Give me something funny to say.
Nigga, please.
No, it's going on YouTube. Peace, bitch.
What's up, nigga?
Wait, I want to see if I can do the whole T-Rex dance. She ran out of juice. That was the T-Rex. That wasn't loud enough.
Was that seriously just steam?
Yeah, I saw steam. He steamed.
I'm steaming.
He burped steam. Oh, you're so hot. I like you a lot. Not really.
YouTube.
Still wasn't loud enough. It wasn't as epic. No, you'd have to do the sing. If you have to chug it. Leave my sick boyfriend alone.
You gotta be there for 9:15 tomorrow.
This is gonna hurt.
Wait, how?
Like a balloon. Remember, sing, 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 sing. What was it, a church choir? Yeah. Sing, 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 sing. Do one more and I'm done for now.
My mommy says she loves you.
My mom, your mommy?
Yeah.
Who wants to see me break my vagina on a chair? Wait, end music.
You're derping.
Suck my cock.
Sorry, I got Sheets coffee.
I got a very painful back. I see London, I see France.
Oh.
I'm bad. I'm really, really, really attractive, huh, babe?
Let's have time to record this.
Okay, one more and I'm done.
Hey, if it's going on YouTube, it can't be over like 15 minutes.
There's still more left.
Alright.